Good evening, Harshit, Sampath. Am I audible? Ryan,
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
okay, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we were doing in the last class 6.1 NCRT question number. We have done, I think, 4 questions, right? Have you revised?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, boys, have you revised?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So today we will start to do from 5th one. So can you read the 5th one question, Sampath?
Ma'am, can I take my textbook?
Okay, Harshit, you can read the 5th one
Ma'am, I'm
question of
Harshit.
6.1.
Ma'am, can I take my textbook? I'm Harshit.
Yes, sure. I'm waiting. Fast. You can bring your textbook. Open your video.
Ma'am, shall I read?
Yes. Now you can read.
Mm. In the figure 6.17, TOQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equals to 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS.
Yes. Now we will start to do with proof. First of all, we will write POQ is a straight line, right?
Yes.
This is given to you. The next one, if POQ is a straight line, so POS, ROS plus ROQ. The sum of these three is 180 degree, right?
Yes.
But OR is perpendicular to PQ. If OR is perpendicular on PQ, so you can say that ROQ is a 90 degree, right?
Yes.
After that, again you will write POS plus ROS. But ROQ, you know, ROQ is 90 degree.
90.
So what is the value of POS and ROS then?
90 degree.
Yes. So the value of POS and ROS is 90
90.
degree. Note it down. Open your videos also. So these two values are coming 90 degree. Okay, firstly you note it down. Sampath, Ryan and Jitendra, open your videos also. I can't see you. Yes, great. Now you noted down these all steps. So if POS and ROS is 90 degree, so what is the value of ROS? If you will find out, then ROS is 90 minus POS. You will take these
Yes.
in from left hand side to right hand side. So the value of ROS is 90 minus POS. So this is your first equation. After that, ROS plus ROQ is equal to, see in the figure, ROS plus ROQ. If we will combine these two triangles, it makes QOS. So you will write like this. These two are, the sum of these two angle is equal to QOS. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
So you know the value of ROQ. ROQ is 90 degree. Can I rub the black part, black solution?
Yes.
Only 2 lines I will remove it. Yeah. So ROS plus 90 degrees equal to QOS. Now, if you will find out the ROS, so that would be QOS minus 90 degree. So this is your second equation. Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt?
No.
No, ma'am.
So what you will do now? You will add your first and second equation together. Add first and second equation. So there are two ROS, ROS and ROS. So you will add ROS plus ROS. That means twice of ROS. And in the next side, QOS minus POS. On 90, you will cut with 90. Got it? So left only QOS
Yes.
minus POS. 90 will be cut with 90. So this is your final answer. If you will find out the ROS, this is the half of QOS and POS. Half of QOS minus POS, because the twice of ROS is half of the QOS minus POS. So you have proved this one. This is your final step. Now revise this question again. Then we will start next. Have you done? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt, boys? Can I start second question? Next, sixth one. Rian, Harshay, Sampath. Can I start the sixth one?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No voices coming.
I said yes. Hello?
Okay, so read the sixth one question, Rian.
Okay. It is given that angle XYZ equals 64 and XY is produced to point B. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle XYP.
So in this question, XYP is a straight line. After that, you will see the figure. One angle is XYZ. Second angle is ZYQ. Third angle is QYP. The sum of these three is 180 degree. In this figure, you can see easily XYZ, ZYQ, and QYP. So XYZ is 64, ZYQ plus QYP is equal to 180 degree. So the value of, so the value of these two are equal. ZYP, that one. Just a second. Yeah. Angle ZYP, sorry, ZYQ is equal to QYP. These two angles are equal. You know the reason? ZYQ is equal to QYP. Why these two angles are equal? ZYP and QYP. Because this is the transversal line and this angle, this point is the same. Means this point make two angles separately. So that means y is same as a y. So y is equal to y. So you can write like this. If these two are equal, so 64 plus twice of QYP means you will take ZYP as a QYP. Now, these two are same, so you will write twice of QYP, that would be equal to 180 degree. Now, you will subtract 180 minus 64. So, 180 minus 64 is 116. Now, you will find QYP. So, 116 divided by 2. So, QYP is equal to 50 8. Note it down firstly. Note it down these all steps.
Ma'am, how is this one angle ZYQ equals angle QYP equals 180?
If QYP is 58, so how to find out the reflex? You know the reflex angle is equal to 360 degree. So now you will write reflex QYP is equal to 360 degree minus 58. 360 minus 58 is 302. Now, the last step you will write XYQ is equal to XYZ plus ZYQ. See the figure. XY. Where is the XYQ? The XYQ is X, Y, and then Q. This one is equal to this and this. Okay. So what you will write? One is the 64, other one is coming 58. So now if you will find the full angle XYQ, you will add 64 plus 58. So that your answer is coming after adding, it's 122. So this is the value of XYQ and reflex QYP is coming 302. This is the answer of QYP. Note it down and revise this one again. Okay. After that, your first exercise has finished. So you will revise at once. I am giving you 2-3 minutes for revision.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you once again just explain this part where you said that angle XYQ equals to QYP?
Yukta, I can't see you proper. I can't listen you properly. Can you repeat it again or write it on the chat box, please?
Am I right in the chat box?
Yeah, sure, sure. Because now you all have a very low voice. Sometimes I can't listen to you properly. So that it's better you will write it on the chat box. I will answer it for sure. Then we will, after this question, we will start to do 6.2. ZYQ, angle ZYQ and QYP, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sure. I will explain you again. If we will take reflex QYP, so see, we have already find out QYP. So our angle QYP is 58. We already means before this one, I have already explained that part. After that, but we have to find the reflex QYP. So if we will find out the reflex QYP, that one, this one angle, जो आपने नोने की पहनी थी, that one. So this is equal to 360 minus 58. Because if you will find out the reflex angle, you will subtract your angle from 360. So QYP is 302 then. And XYQ, see, this is XY and Q. So in angle XYQ, there are two angles between. One is XYZ and other one is QYZ. So if you will add these two angles together, you will get 64 plus 58, then you will get 122. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And yeah, this part is there, QYP. So see this again, Yukta, QYP we have to find like this. Okay, before you will revise the before part, and then this is the twice of QYP you will write, and 180 minus 64, that would be 116. Then you will divide 116 by 2. So you will get QYP.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will start to do 6.2. So now, Yukta, you will read the 6.2 first question.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. You will read.
Okay, ma'am. In the figure 6.23, if AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF and Y is in a ratio to Z and 3:7, find X.
So in this part, you have to find the value of X, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will make the figure firstly. These two lines are there. One is AB, other one is CD. After that, this is a transversal line. This angle is 50 degree. And this is 130. Okay. Now ray AE stands on line GH. So AEH, AEG plus AEH. These both are equal to 180 degree because this is a linear pair. The reason is linear pair. Now AEG value is, what is the value of AEG? This is given to you. This is AEG, na? I think this is given to you, AEG. So the value of AEG is 50 degree. So AEH is, that means
Ma'am, which question is this?
this is the first question of 6.2. Is this correct or not?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
actually, I
It's a
have
different
the
question.
question.
From my side, it is a 6.2 question.
And was it old textbook?
I'm opening with my phone. So what is the first line of the question? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, there was one 3 lines parallel to each other and one transfer fell, cutting 3 of them.
Okay.
The question was in the figure 6.23, if AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF and Y uh, Y by
Y
Z
raised to
is
Z is 3
yeah,
is to 7. That one?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. From my side, this is a second question. No problem. I will tell you the first one firstly. Because I think you have a new book now. Now this is a 3 lines AB, BCD and EF. This is X, this is Y. AB, CD, EF. Firstly, you will write AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, and AB is parallel to EF also then. So the reason is lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So therefore, X is equal to Z. Where is the Z part? Z part is there from your book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Y is to Z is equals to 3 is to 7.
Yeah. So that means x is equal to z. This is the first equation. Now you will add x plus y because x plus y is your adjacent angle or co-interior angle on the same side. So these two sum is 180 degree. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. If x is equal to z, so that you will replace that one also. That means z plus firstly you noted down this one. Okay, then I will do the next part. If x plus y is equal to 180, so that z plus y is also 180 degree. Note it down, then I am rubbing it.
I'm done.
Done? Okay. Now y is to z is 3 is to 7. So y is 3x and z you will take it 7x. Right? Then 3x plus 7x is equal to 180. Then find out the angles. This is 10x. Then this is x value is 18. If x is 18, then y you will take 3x. So it would be 3 into 18. Z is equal to 7x. So it would be 7 into 18. Solve it. Then let me know what is the final answer, in which you have to find only x. So x is there. One is 54.
And another is 126.
126. Very good. And x is also equal to z. Okay. Now revise that one. This question you will revise it again. If any doubt, then let me know.
Ma'am, why is x is equal to z?
X is equal to Z is given to you. The first part I wrote it line parallel to the same line are parallel. So if AB parallel CD, CD parallel EF, AB parallel EF, so that X is equal to Z. And X is equal to Z also but corresponding is, this is too far, na? So this is not a corresponding. Only the reason is lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So that's why X is equal to Z. I think there is any other reason also. I'm checking it again. Alternative interior angle is also there. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, so co-interior angle formed. So lines which are parallel to the same line, it would be parallel to each other. This is alternate interior angle also.
Okay, ma'am.
So x is equal to z.
Ma'am, can we revise Euclid's geometry in the next classes?
Yes, sure. If you want to revise, then we will start. And in this, the lines and angle, how many exercises are there? There are 3 exercises.
Ma'am, there are 2 exercises.
There are 2 exercises. So can we finish firstly 2 exercise and then we will revise again Euclid geometry?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And in your homework now, you will try to do your example part also. Okay. And revise this one. So in next question is, I think next,
Ma'am, there is one figure in which 2 lines are parallel to each other. If
2 lines are
AB is
parallel.
parallel to CD, EF is perpendicular to CD and angle GED is equals to 126.
Okay. Okay, I'm checking. Okay, GED is equal to 126, that one. Okay. Okay, so we will start this one question also. Okay. Then you will revise 2 question of 6.1 and 2 question of 6.2.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the figure.
Ma'am, you have to mention the point G.
Yes. So the first step is AG is equal to AGE is equal to GED. What is the reason? Can you tell me? Without reason, there is a no use of geometry. You have to write the reason. So this is a alternate interior angle. If GED is 126, so that AGE is also 126. Now, if you are taking GEF plus FED, see the figure. So these two are 126. If FED is 90 degree, so that the value of GED is, sorry, GEF. This is F. So the value of GEF is 36, right? Is this clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, the first part is there. The second part is there. Now the third part. So after that, GEC, angle GEC plus GEF plus FED. The sum of these three is equal to 180 degree. CD is a line. That's why. CD is the straight line. I'm rubbing the first part only.
Ma'am, we have to mention the angle FGE.
FGE. Where is FGE? GEF we have 36. FED we know.
Ma'am, angle FEG, angle G.
Angle G, FGE. Yeah, we have to find the FGE now. So, angle GEC plus 36 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. Now, can you tell me what is the value of GEC then?
Ma'am, 180 minus 126.
Yes. So, what is the answer?
54.
Very good. So, 54 is your final answer. So, FGE is equal to angle GEC. Both are equal to both are equal to 54. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then bye. You will revise your 4 questions, 6.12, 6.1, 2 questions, 6.22 questions. Okay, then bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Good evening.